I wanted to become a mobile diesel technician because the environment in the shop is just kind of hectic. Mobile's different compared to being in a shop just because you're kind of your own boss in a way. Fastest to get their truck fixed is the best. My name is Eli Nettles. I work for Coltrain Onsite Fleet Care. I'm a technician based out of the Hammond, Louisiana area. I've been in the fleet maintenance industry going on about 7 years. I've got certifications ranging from 608, 609 AC certs and brake certifications through Bendix and Labco. I want to come work for Coltrain. Everybody's on first name basis with one another, like a good family-oriented place where they'll take care of you. Family-owned is definitely a whole lot better than a corporation. Somewhere where you're cared for, not just another name. It's easy to find that in a lot of these corporate companies, and I've been there, done that. If you've got problems, it's easier to get a hold of somebody that can actually get things settled for you instead of having to jump through the hoops before you finally can get anything done. I feel like taking ownership of your work here. You're running your own service truck. All your customers rely on you. All of my customers don't deal with anybody but me. So any issues they have, I'm on top of them. This customer relies on specifically you. Really like the service truck. I'm a Ford guy, so it kind of fits. Toolbox setup is great. Waste and fresh oil tanks in the back are awesome. Storage in the back for jacks and cones, jack stands, stuff like that. Having four-wheel drive, if you ever need it, it's always nice to have. I'd say defend the road to me. In the fire departments, we've got to make sure these trucks have zero air leaks, right? If they hop in these trucks and they're not at air pressure and they can't roll, that 5 minutes there of them sitting there building air pressure could be a matter of life or death. Me doing inspections and repairing these trucks is knowing that truck is completely compliant and safe to go down the road and be on the roads with my family and everybody else's family.